In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Survey Junkie coupon link and save some money in just 5 minutes. We'll be navigating through ValueCom, a fantastic resource for finding valid coupons, promo codes, and discounts for thousands of stores. Let's dive right into the process and see how you can make the most of these savings. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to the ValueCom website. This site is an excellent hub for all current and valid coupons and promo codes across a wide variety of stores. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a clean and straightforward design that makes it easy to find what you're looking for. The key feature here is the search bar, located at the top right corner of the page. This is your go-to tool for quickly navigating the vast number of available options. On the home page, locate the search bar. It's prominently positioned for your convenience, allowing you to swiftly enter your desired search query. In this case, you'll want to search for Survey Junkie. Once you click on the search bar, you'll see it highlight ready to take your input. Type in Survey Junkie and hit enter. This will bring up all the related coupon codes and deals available for Survey Junkie. Now you're at the stage where you can see a selection of codes. Here, you'll find a list of possible codes that might suit your needs. Take a moment to browse through these options and choose one that seems most beneficial for your intended purchase or usage. This process is simplified on ValueCom because the platform does the hard work of gathering and verifying these codes, so you can save time and effort. Once you have decided on a code, it's time to copy it. With a simple click of a button, you can copy the selected code to your clipboard. This step is straightforward and ensures that you have the code ready to use at checkout wherever you plan to use it. And that's it. You've just navigated through ValueCom to find a Survey Junkie coupon code that can help you save money. Remember, these steps can be easily replicated for any other store or service available on ValueCom, allowing you to make smart and informed purchasing decisions that benefit your budget. Thanks for watching, and happy savings.